Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I want to show you a great new product that I just found called the PhotoStick. I'm really excited about this opportunity to show you what this PhotoStick does and how amazing it is and how easy it is to set up and install in your computer so that you can save all your photos and videos in one little step. So here it is. This is the PhotoStick. Hopefully you can see it. 2.0, and it's really cute. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited about this because it's 64 gigs and it holds up to 30,000 photos and videos. So I don't know about you, but I have photos all over the place, stuck in a cloud someplace, stuck in all these different apps, and I've always just wanted something that I can just hold these photos in and put them in and get a book made or get something done and just not have them all in all these different places. So when I had this opportunity to review this photo stick, I was so excited because this is what I've been needing. I'm not a technical person. I don't know where the photos go when they go away and the thing, and I never take them off of the cloud or wherever they are to make the books and memories and keep the memories that I want to keep. So this is it right here. This is the photo stick right here. I don't know if you can see it. Photo stick. Excited because again, you click it into your computer. It works with the Mac or the Windows. I have a Mac. No software to install. It's just click and go, and all your photos are going to be stored in this easy little thing you can attach to anything. It automatically deletes any duplicates, which is great because I hate having duplicates in my computer. I hate having duplicates in my clouds. It's too much. So they automatically delete duplicates so you have more storage so you can move on with the rest of your life so you can do the things you want to do. Now I can get to this. So excited. Thanks, PhotoStick.